To create a library, we do exactly the same as we did before for creating a normal project to build a server, which is creating a folder in which you want to place your project, copying the path, going to the command line, using the change directory command to move inside the folder, use Dart, create, and the name of your project, hit enter. Use this cd command again to move inside your project folder. Now type code dot and we're inside Visual Studio Code. Libraries are modules that can perform specific tasks. Like Lego blocks, you can put them together to build stuff. Here are some examples so that you get an idea of what a library can be. On this one, I created a library for finding whether or not a number is prime, whether the number is co-prime with another number. It's also capable of finding the factors of a certain integer, and it can also find a prime after a certain number or before a certain number. It can also generate a list of primes ranging from one number to another. I've also got an RSA cryptography library where I tried to make cryptography as simple as I possibly could. Then there's the Dropbox platform package, where I interact with the Dropbox API to perform certain tasks, like for example, creating a folder on Dropbox, deleting items, determining whether or not an item exists, uploading a file, reading files as bytes, reading files as string, getting the metadata of a file, listing a folder contents, and downloading an entire folder as a zip, and many more things. Then there's also translatable text field, a package that I created to store text in different languages so that I could easily build multi-language apps. You can literally create a library about anything. The possibilities are endless. To create a library, we must head to the lib folder and open up the file name after our project. Here we can create our code and reference other files in the project. Let's say that, for example, we want to create a library that adds two numbers together to keep it simple. Let's do the same thing that we did in the function section by creating a function that returns a type integer.